Okay, in this set of problems, we are looking and we'll have number lines and it'll show us variables, and our job is to be able to answer questions based on what those numbers should be, where those letters are. So if we're looking at it, I'm just going to start by going ahead and marking it up on here, what these numbers are. So if this is 0, I know B, if it's halfway between -1 and 0, would be around -1/2. And then A is going to be -1.5. And then our C is between 2 and 3, so that's 2.5. So if we're going to choose all of the true statements, we're going to go through each of them. First, it says point A is greater than -3. -3 is lower toward the left, so that's actually a true statement. It says C is less than point B, but C is in the positives and B is in the negatives, so that can't be true. And then obviously none of the above would not be correct. So it should just be A, and that is good. All right. So now looking at the next one, I'm going to go ahead and, oops, sorry guys. I'm getting rid of something real quick. All right, now, same thing with this one, except we're just going to try it looking at the letters this time. First of all, it's saying point A is less than -2. So if we look at where point A is at in relation to -2, -2 is right here, and A is to the left of it. So that would mean that this one, letter A would be correct. So I'm going to pick that one. Now it's saying point B is less than point C. So if we look here, we can see that B is to the left of C. So I'm going to pick B as well. And then I'm going to look. Obviously, it's not none of the above. So both of those answers are correct. All right. And I'm going to do one more. All right. And then looking at this one, letter A says point B is less than point A. So here's point B, here's point A. A is to the left, which means A is actually less than B, not the other way around. So A can't be right. And then here says point B is greater than -4. So B is in front of the -4. So that means B is actually greater. And then let's just check. It's usually none of the above for next. So, okay, just B. So really you're just looking at their placement on the number line. If it's to the left, it's less. If it's to the right, it's greater. That's the major rule. So just kind of look at it, and that should help you. And it even will give you hints if you get them wrong. So this one here, it says this is incorrect because point B is to the right of point A. It can't be less. All right. I hope this helps. Y'all have a great day, and I will talk to you later.